guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu. My name is Nyakio Kagecho, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. And also, if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and also kindly consider subscribing so that you, and also turn on a notification so that you'll always be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'll be doing an half up, half down kind of a braid pattern. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I'll be using this TCB leave-in treatment, this TCB anti-dandruff coconut oil hair food, some olive oil, this wide tooth comb for detangling, this pin comb for separating, for partitioning. Then I'll be using these 3 braids. Number 1, short. These are actually 3. Then I've also been using these leftover hair. I'll be using this blonde color to add a bit of a highlight to my hair. Then I'll also be using these rubber bands, and I'll be using these straws for the curling. So without much talking, let's get into action. So first things first, I'm going to start by prepping my hair. So I'll just go ahead and wash my hair, since I had washed my hair like a week ago. My hair is not that dirty, but I feel like it has a bit of build-ups, so I'm going to wash my hair off camera, then I'll come back and show you guys the rest of the process. So here I've already washed my hair. I'm just moisturizing it. I'm using the LOC method, that's the leave-in conditioner. Then I'll apply some olive oil, then I'll seal in the moisture with some TCB hair food. Then I'll just braid up the hair, and I've just repeated the same process throughout the rest of the hair. So now I'm about to start curling the hair. I'll just take a straw, wrap it around the hair, then like an inch from the top, then fold, secure the hair with a rubber band. After that, you just continue twisting all the way down. That's it. It's as simple as that. So I'll just repeat the process again so that you can get it. And the amount of hair I'm using, I was measuring with my finger, like not so big, not so small. So we repeat again. Take the hair, wrap it around the straw first, an inch from the top, fold the excess straw, secure with a rubber band, then just continue wrapping all the way down. That's it. So this is how the rest of them look. you can see it's just a simple process. So here, this is a combination of hot water, conditioner, and some olive oil for the shine. Then I just mix it all up, put the hair, leave it there for about 5 minutes. After that, I'll just go and take them outside to dry. So I left them outside for about 2 to 3 hours, depending with how hot it is. And this is how they look after drying. You can see the curl formation. It actually resembles a passion twist. It's just hit me that I can't control my hair on here. Okay, the back part I can control, doesn't matter because I'll be crocheting the rest of my hair. But now the front part needs to be neat, and my cornrows are not so good. So right now I'll just go to my local salon, get some cornrows done real quick, then come back and continue the rest of the hair. So now I want to start crocheting the hair, and this is the braiding pattern that I went for. Let me turn around. Down, but the oven center. So now I'll be crocheting the pass and banner. For making sense. Also forgot to mention that I'm also be needing the crochet needle. We'll just be needing this. So I'm finally done crocheting the hair, and here I'm just trying to give the hair shape, cutting out the ends. Those frizz ends, those are the ones I'm aiming the most. Also, all I've done, I've just added some accessories, and so far so good. I'm loving the look. Also, if you want a much fuller look, go for 3 to 4 packs. guys, this is the final look, but I still feel like, I still feel like this side is thicker than this, but I'll fix that later. So maybe to answer some of the frequently asked questions, how I'll take care of it, I'll just be spraying some warm water combined with some conditioner, finger detangle, and that's it. The amount of hair I used, I only used 2.5 packs. The time I used to install it, for the braiding, it was I guess 1.5 hours. For the crocheting, between 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending with how quick you are. For me it took like 45 minutes. What else? I don't remember anything else. If you have a question, please leave it in the comment section. I'll answer you. Also, tell me what you think about the hairstyle. For me, I'm feeling the hair, so tell me what you think about it. And so that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share this video with your friends and family. Till next time, bye.